Hello friends, welcome back to my recipe journal. Today we'll be making this super beautiful and so gooey chocolate lava cake. If you're a chocolate lover like me, this is a recipe you don't want to sleep on at all. So let's get right into the recipe. First off, in a clean bowl, you want to break up your chocolate into little pieces so it melts easily. Then you add your butter. Then you use a double boiler for this so it melts and at the same time you don't burn your chocolates. So right here I'm just adding butter to my ramekin so it comes out easily. Then I also add a little flour, just tap that around, dust off the excess flour, and yeah, you're good to go. In another bowl, you add in the whole egg and the egg yolk. Then you add in your sugar and you mix this either with an hand whisk or an electric mixer. You basically just want to whisk this till it's very light and airy and it just doubles in size. Then you pour in your melted chocolate mixture. You add in your flour, you add the baking powder, and then vanilla essence. Then we'll be combining this very gently. You just want to fold it in so you don't lose the whole air and the very nice airy texture you have right now. Then you transfer the mixture into your prepared ramekins and you'll be baking this for 12 to 15 minutes depending on your oven type. Once it's baked, you flip onto a flat plate. You gently tap so it comes out easily without breaking up. It's too hot for me to handle with my bare hands right now, so I'm just using this napkin. And you see how it comes out just perfect. Now I'm dusting it off with a little icing sugar and also garnishing with strawberries. If you like this video, please don't forget to click the like button, and also if you are new to my channel, please subscribe. And yes, we have a perfect gooey chocolate molten lava cake. I mean, you can see this molten chocolate coming right from the middle. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.